Ramogi mana kane wasingo wadok report mar county ma Kilifi kaluwore koda weche mag kunyo jomano seiki e bungu ma Shakahola kama jatend migawo mar arita Kithure Kindiki koro wacho ni onge ng'ata ma idhi yiene donje bungu no e sama chenro mar rango ringre e tielo mar ariyo ochakore kawuono. Omedo ni nonro magitimo gisedayo dhoji mar 25 ka gidhi okang' mager, gibiro kawo okang' mager ne ji adek kuomgi mane okonyo e chwalo nekgo. Nyaka sani oseres ji 65 ka ariyo kuomgi oyud kawuono ka geno nitiere mar medo yudo jomoko. Watudore kod Francis Mtalaki manitiere gwengego e yor simbo ng'we yamo. Nyaka Ramogi watudore achiel kachiel koda reporter mar Francis Mtalaki manitiere county ma Kilifi. Good afternoon, Mtalaki. Kindly, if you are at Shakahola, you may share with us what is happening now that the exhumation of bodies have officially resumed today. Mtalaki, if you can hear me. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mtalaki. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Good afternoon.
Okay, kindly share with us what is happening today now that the exhumation of bodies have resumed today. What is happening at Shakahola? Are the policemen around? Who is allowed to be there? Who are not allowed to be there? What is the situation like?
Well, the situation at Shakahola Forest is that all the security operators are continuing the search and rescue mission. That so far, according to the CS, who was earlier made a briefing, says that 2 more people have been rescued since morning, bringing the total of number of those people who have been rescued so far to 65. And the CS was also categorical in terms of some of the changes that have been made, saying that there's a change of tactic by the followers of Paul Mackenzie, and they're saying that the police are also considering looking at having choppers or aircrafts to be able to assist in the ongoing operation, given that they're saying that some of the followers are still trapped in this forest, and some of the measures are saying that the curfew might be extended, saying that what they have observed so far, 20 more graves have been identified today, bringing the number of those graves that have not been exhumed at around 112. So saying that this exercise has a lot of work to do, but he expects that the officers on the ground will be able to do a proper job. And also saying that the post-mortem report is being prepared by the chief methodologist, and once the report is out, then be able to give the public or Kenyans to do inside there. Remember yesterday there were reports of organ harvesting, saying that urging Kenyans to not preempt, but he will be issuing more instructions and more clarifications with regard to this matter. And so far what we're witnessing is that the security officers have been beefed up and currently are heading back to the forest to continue with the search and rescue mission together with the Kenya Red Cross and other humanitarian organizations. And so media has been allowed, but to a limited extent, given that there are only 2 media outlets who will be allowed in on a daily basis to just monitor the situation. And also the human rights groups have been identified 2 people to be able to monitor. The CS saying that the government has nothing to hide, and saying that this is the worst tragedy that has ever happened to this country, and so they will be keeping us posted, and also delivering any information that is coming here at Shakahola Forest. Back to you.
Thank you, Francis Mtalaki. We hope to get more in the subsequent bulletins. Nyaka Ramogi, mano reporter marwa kawuok e county ma Kilifi.